How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be resetting the tire light on the 23 Honda Accord. This car came in with a nail in the tire, so obviously the tire dropped in PSI and set the tire light. So you will need to do this whether the tire light is on, you're adjusting the tire pressure, rotating the tires, or replacing the tires. So in this case, the light will be on because there was an issue. So you're going to start the engine. You could also do this with the car in accessory mode, but we'll just start it. And clearly you can see there's two different indicators, one over here and one right over here. So we're going to be using this scroller right over here, and you're going to scroll through the menu until you reach vehicle settings. So we were at settings already, but if you're not, you just use the scroller to go up or down. So once you're there, you're going to use the scroller once again to press in or enter. And here we go, TPMS calibration. You're going to press enter one more time, and now you're going to scroll up and you're going to press enter one last time. Calibration has started and the light has turned off, and also the message on this side over here. So now you're just going to back out of it and you're going to whatever you want at this point. So yeah, that's it for this video. So once again, you're going to be doing this if you rotate, if you adjust tire pressure, replace tires, or repair some sort of a flat that you had, some sort of a leak. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like this one.